Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming thinnest phone, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge has leaked, revealing thickness, weight, and price before the official launch. The new leaks reveal even more details about the upcoming slim phone by Samsung. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is gearing up for the global launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Leaks have already revealed key details about the upcoming smartphone. It was most recently showcased at MWC 2025, and new leaks have emerged, claiming that the device would weigh just over 160 grams. According to a leak by tipster Ice Universe on X.com, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be one of Samsung's slimmest smartphones ever, measuring just 5.84 mm thick, making it 1.46 mm thinner than Galaxy S25 Plus. Additionally, at 162 grams, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be significantly lighter than the 195 grams Galaxy S25 Plus. The reduced weight is attributed to a smaller 3,900 mAh battery, in contrast to the 4,800 mAh unit in the S25 Plus. The weight of Galaxy S25 Edge is confirmed, and the price is similar to that of S25 Plus. If the price is similar, which would you choose, S25 Plus or S25 Edge? Please let us know in the comment section. Some reports are indicating that Samsung could also replace the traditional glass back with a ceramic rear panel, which would not only improve durability, but also maintain a premium feel. Leaked details suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge will feature a 6.65 inches AMOLED display, slightly smaller than the 6.7 inches panel found on the S25 Plus. Ice Universe claimed that the accurate rendering of the S25 Edge is here. The screen size is 6.656 inches. But the bezel is the same as the S25 Ultra, which is narrower than the S25 Plus. Under the hood, the device is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM. It will likely run Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15. It seems like the S25 Edge will feature dual rear cameras, which was visible when the device was on showcase at Galaxy Unpacked and MWC this year. While details about the sensors remain unclear, Samsung is likely focusing on AI-powered photography improvements to compensate for the missing lens. Additionally, the smaller 3,900 mAh battery raises concerns about battery life, but Samsung may optimize software efficiency to address this. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 Edge Slim model will launch in April 2025 and could have a price tag of around $1,000. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.